Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Serrano. In today's video, we're going to be taking a look at a brand new smartphone. And if you're brand new to the channel, I truly appreciate you for coming through. I definitely appreciate you for subscribing, getting notified, hitting the bell icon. As well, I encourage you to, like the video as well, because every single like helps the channel. But if you're brand new to the crew, I truly appreciate you for coming through. But if you're already a part of the crew, salute. So today we're going to be taking a look at the BLU G91S. So this is going to be pretty much an unboxing of this device. We're going to be taking a look at it for the very first time. So if you're brand new to the channel, I definitely appreciate you. Make sure you stay locked in to the end of the video, because we're going to do a full unboxing of this guy and kind of see what comes inside of the box. So this is the BLU G91S, and it's going to be giving you a lot of cool features that stand out in my opinion, because this device is going to have a lot of really cool things about it that I really am interested in, right? So it does say the 6.8 full HD infinity dot display on here. We also are getting the MediaTek Helio G80 octa-core processing chip clocked in at 2.0 gigahertz, right, for those gamers out there. And then we're also going to be getting the 4 gigabytes of RAM coupled with the 128 triple camera setup with AI technology. It's going to have a 48, a 5 megapixel, and a 2 megapixel on there. 13 on the front, and a 6000 large battery, which is going to also be Type-C compatible as well. So without any more talking, let's go ahead and take a look at this guy. It's going to have facial ID and a fingerprint sensor, as well as Android 11. So definitely looking forward to checking this out. So let's kind of take a look at this for the very first time, and take a look at what the BLU G91S has to offer in this price point at about $200 or something, $230. So let's just pop the top off. That was very suspenseful. So let's put this right off to the side to take the top off of here. And this has it feels pretty decent in the weight category. Let's go ahead and put it off to the side real quick, and then kind of enter the interior. We do get, this thing has a suede texture to it, so nice unboxing experience. Put that off to the side. We do get the power brick right here, which is going to be, looks like it's about 10 watts or something. Doesn't look any more than 15. But we also do get our Type-C cord, which is going to be the electrical silver color. So definitely pretty cool right here. And then putting that off to the side, we're going to take a look in some more detail. I still see more stuff in here. So blue headphones, which is pretty cool. It has a little button here for pause and play. Our SIM remover tool, and definitely get some stickers here so you can actually put this on your PC or refrigerator or anything of that nature. But and then we get the G91 SIM instruction tool, SIM installation guide, and then the product manual right here, the quick guide, right? But then they're not even done. Look, you do get a solid sturdy case from BLU. So these are going to be really solid. I'm going to put this on the phone in just a second. Make sure you stay to the end of the video. And if you're enjoying the video so far, I truly appreciate you for coming through. Make sure you hit the like button. Every single like helps the channel. So we're also going to put that off to the side, and we do get it feels like a tempered glass. So this is going to be really cool for protecting the G91S. Now, last but not least, we do have the G91S right here in this material. So I just want to take it out of the plastic. And then what we're going to do is we're going to take this outside, and we're going to take some pictures with the BLU G91S. So make sure you guys stay locked in to the end of the video so I can show you some picture samples. And we might even do a quick, gaming test on here. So okay, so it has a nice back on here. They claim that it's a mesmerizing back. On here it's supposed to say it's supposed to be very reflective in the light, and it has that swirl design to it. It also does have a really nice colorful display that they're claiming on here. I'm going to take off the tape. And then let's just give this thing some juice. You get a side mount. You don't get a side mounted fingerprint, but you get the power button is right here, and you also do get the volume rocker above it, as well as a fingerprint sensor on the back of here. Look at the cameras. I like the way that looks. It's definitely like reminiscent of some other phones that I've seen before, but it's gonna say that this is gonna be 128 gigabytes of internal storage and 4 gigabytes of RAM on this guy. So let's just wait for this to power back up. But 396 for the PPI, 1080 by 2460, and it's a 91% screen to body ratio on here with a huge 6,000 milliamp hour battery. So let's get this guy powered up. I'm gonna actually just set up my fingerprint sensor on here, and then I'm gonna go ahead, take some photo samples. Let's just test out the haptic feedback on here. If the Wi-Fi pops up, we will get into that right here. So see all. Okay, cool. So let's just go ahead, enter the, it vibrates with every touch. And it's a huge display, really big display on here. Very colorful. Got the internet set up now. So let me know what you guys think about this size. 6.8 inches infinity display, 91% screen to body on here. Type-C on the bottom, headphone jack on the bottom, speaker on the bottom, microphone at the top and bottom with the Type-C. So this is going to look pretty solid. So it's also going to give you some really good power on here. So what was that? Oh, okay, hurt. So I'm just waiting for this to power on right now. But this device right now is listed on the internet at $229. So you can pick this guy up for a really efficient price under $230. So, you know, obviously this won't have 5G. So I just want to let you guys know that it's not going to have 5G, but it's still 4G, 4T LTE is still pretty solid. What SIMs I'm using is the Mint Mobile SIM and the Straight Talk SIM I'm going to be using on here. So let's just jump into the phone, and then I'm going to get right back with you with some picture samples and stuff like that, and wrap up the video. I want to download my apps on here, and I'm going to get right back with you. But it's asking me to enter a PIN, and it says confirm the PIN. Okay, cool. So now it says you can enter your fingerprint sensor on here. So let's just test out the haptics. It vibrates with every touch, and you want to put it in a different spot every single time so that it's going to register your finger perfectly. So you don't have to do it again. Like when it comes to it, we could add another one as well. So I'm just going to do the right hand as well, because I don't want to just have my left hand there too. So you could also add facial ID, but we're going to skip that part and then just continue on. So it's actually saying that you can get things like all the Google apps from the Play Store from here. So Google Drive, Google Photos, everything like that. So let's just go ahead and wait for this guy to power back on. And then right here, it's going to ask you to sign up, and you could just click yes or no, right? It's very simple. You know, next. And then now you are into the thing. You can see right here, it does have most recent apps, your app tray when you swipe up, and that has a really fast speed to it. It kind of glides across the screen really smoothly. So that G80, it definitely feels pretty solid in the hand. We also do have Bluetooth sound, flashlight, super screenshot, airplane mode, do not disturb, auto rotate, calendar, nearby share. You could probably add a few more if you wanted to right here. You can see night mode. You have all your other things like nightlight, dark theme. We're gonna put that up here, and stuff like that. Screencast as well, which is pretty important. And then we'll just leave, you got hotspot down there as well. So let's just check out what's underneath here inside of the software. You go into about device and you can see all the features right here. So Android 11, the AI camera, portrait mode and stuff, Face ID, 108 super zoom, nav bar. So you can actually change this to that nav bar preference, right? So the gesture preference. So now we got the gestures, we can swipe back up. So pretty solid arrangement on here as far as the apps. It's got a couple of below, like dancing, road, solitaire, TikTok, and it does have everything else Google. You get the FM radio on this guy as well. Let's go into the camera. I'm going to take a quick shot of my face and then we'll take this guy out into some camera samples, but let's just take a portrait. All right, and then let's just take a quick shot of this guy right here. Too close, and it says right here, you also do get more options on the camera. So let's go through all the options right here. So you get intelligent mode, slow motion mode, beauty mode, night mode, and 128 megapixel camera. So that's pretty much it. Hey, what's going on, guys? So this is the front facing camera on the G91S. So let me know how it's looking right now. So this is the front facing camera.
Are you ready?
So hopefully you guys found this video helpful, but make sure you subscribe and get notified for more videos just like this if you're not already part of the crew. But if you enjoyed the video, definitely encourage you to check out more videos just like this, and I'm going to check you guys later. Peace.